It's another delicious day here in the Let's Make Food from Food Kitchen, and today I am making a scratch-made tuna salad. So what do we need? We're going to start with our tuna steaks. I have about 12 ounces here of tuna steaks. They're close to an inch thick. And what I want to do is I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and I am going to just paint them with some olive oil like so. And then sprinkle this side with salt. Then we'll hit it with some fresh cracked pepper. Then I'm just gonna turn them over onto the pan. And then repeat the process on the other side. It's pretty simple. And we are going to cook these well done. This isn't like the medium rare tuna steaks that I made recently. Because we're going to make this into a tuna salad, we want our tuna to be cooked all the way through. Okay, so same thing, salt and pepper on this side as well. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 15 minutes at that 400 degrees. I am gonna check it and make sure it's done. If it's 95% done, go ahead and pull it and let it carry over cook, because we need to let this cool completely before we move to the next step anyway, which is going to be our sauces and our vegetables that we're gonna put in here. So I'll see you soon. And we're back. I've got my 3 tuna steaks here and everything else that I need for this recipe. So what I want to do is go ahead and just break this up. Now you can use a fork, but really it's just as easy to go ahead and just dig in and get your hands dirty. And I'm going to taste the tuna. I think you'll find that you will like this flavor better than canned tuna, but anything homemade is better. So we're just going to break all 3 of these up just like this. And it's pretty easy to do. You don't have to put much effort into it. Okay, now I have some other ingredients. This is my homemade grapeseed oil that I'm going to put in. It's 1/4 cup. And you can adjust that based on your tastes too. Then I have 1 tablespoon of the Dijon mustard that I've made. Link will be down below for that and for the mayo. Okay. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of dill. And salt and pepper is up to you. About a 1/4 teaspoon. We can always add more if we want. Okay, and I'm going to hit it with some fresh cracked pepper. I just want those flavors to come together while I get my shallot finely chopped. And also I have a tablespoon of capers here that I would like to also finely chop up. And then I will press my garlic as well, and we'll get those in there as in the bowl. I'm just dumping my capers right on top of there. It's all gonna get mixed together anyway. Okay, I'm just gonna clean my knife off in there. All right, and our 1 garlic clove going right on in there. I can move this back here to the middle. And of course stir it all together. Now, if you feel like you need to add more mayo or more mustard, you sure can. And I think I'm gonna add maybe another tablespoon. You just want it to hold together. So I've got my mayo back out, and I'm just gonna take a generous tablespoon and glop it on in there. All right, now I'm gonna do a flavor check. That's yummy. I don't think I want to add anything else. This is delicious the way that it is. You could add like a tablespoon of lemon juice if you wanted, but I think the capers in there give it enough tartness to where I don't want to do that. Put this in the fridge for about a half an hour. Let it chill a little bit more. If you're serving it like tuna salad or a sandwich or something, you can let it chill. That half an hour gives those flavors a little more time to come together and just build and be beautiful. And you don't have to wait. You could serve it right away if you'd like. Any leftovers can be saved in the fridge for 2 or 3 more days. You might get a little bit of liquid. Just drain that off carefully and serve as usual. Thanks for joining me here today in the Let's Make Food from Food kitchen. From my kitchen to yours, let's make food from food.
That's one boy.